Naghahanap ka ba ng bed space na less than 3K per month lang ang rent? And walking distance lang from Market, SM Aura, Serendra, and BGC High Street? We got you, bro. Mytown Madrid is the perfect dorm for you. And good news, it's just a 10-minute walk from Market, as in no more long commutes. And by the way, may mover station din pala dito. Pwede ka mag-bike or e-scooter papasok sa work o pauwi. So from Market, maladaanan natin ng Hotel 101. And sa kabila naman, tanaw natin ang Mytown Rio. Makikita mo rin dyan ng staff house at yung malaking barangay Pembo signage. Kung medyo pagod ka, meron tayong tricycle terminal sa tabi. Pero kung carry mo, maglakad na lang para may exercise ka rin. Madadaanan din natin ang Pembo Community Complex. Tapos, hanapin na lang natin yung street signs ng Sampaguita Street at Lower Azucena. And just a few steps more, boom! Mytown Madrid na! Meron silang 2-bed and 4-bed sharing units. Pero ang pinakasulit, yung 4-bed sharing. As in, $2,950 per month lang. Kahit 3, 6, or 12 months. Utilities not included ha. May free wifi na rin. May lounge, may community, and chill towny vibes. Tipid na? Malapit pa sa lahat. So kung gusto mo ng space na walking distance lang from your work sa BGC, check out Mytown Madrid. Minsan, yung perfect home mo, nasa kabilang kanto lang pala.